Hello travelers, today we are heading to Bangkok on Singapore Airlines SQ714. I just went to the KrisFlyer lounge just now, had a quick bite, and then now I'm walking towards gate F41 for boarding. Looking forward to another restful weekend ahead and really happy to bring you along with me. See you at the gate.
This afternoon is about 1 hour and 15 minutes in the cabin. We have crew in charge. Chief Stewardess Miss Jennifer and Chief Steward Mr. Lam. Along with the crew, they'll be in charge of your comfort and safety on board this aircraft. We have 4 passengers on board now, just waiting for everyone to settle down and make themselves comfortable. At this stage, we should be departing on schedule before 5:10 p.m. As for the weather, we can expect this afternoon, generally smooth flying conditions can be expected. But nevertheless, road safety, please have your seatbelts fastened whenever you're seated or when the seatbelts are turned on. My colleague Rio will come back again just before the set with the latest weather and the expected arrival time. Please enjoy the flight with us, and once again, thank you for flying Singapore Airlines.
All charged on board at all times. Please approach our cabin crew if you require assistance. We wish you a pleasant flight. Welcome on board Singapore Airlines. As the safety equipment on this aircraft may differ from that on other aircraft,
please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey across our island home.
there are details you would not want to miss. During takeoff and landing, ensure that your tray table is stowed away. Put the back of your seat upright and keep your shoes on. Before we take off, stow your luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment.
The safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you for more information.
And on behalf of Singapore Airlines, we wish you a great time on board, as well as anywhere in the world we take you.
airport shortly. And current weather in Bangkok is reported to be fair, with a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Please take note, there is a 1 hour time difference between Singapore and Bangkok. And time check now is 5:42 in the afternoon. We can expect a touchdown time of 6:20. And on behalf of Captain Chet Lee and the wonderful set of cabin crew led by Chief Stewardess Jennifer Fu and Chief Steward Mr. Lam, I'd like to thank you once again for choosing fly Singapore Airlines, and we hope to see you again soon. Cabin crew, please prepare the cabin for arrival. Thank you.
It is important for your own health and for the protection of others that you contact the Public Health Authority at Health Control Post or Quarantine Office. In preparation for arrival, please return to your seat. Put your seat back upright and fasten your seat belt. Secure your tray table and handset. Please also note where the emergency exits are located. Thank you. Bangkok, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments and remember to take all your belongings with you. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Welcome to Bangkok. Wow, it's getting more and more efficient. We already know which belt we are going to collect our luggage from. Belt 11, here we come. Hopefully the immigration queue is not very long because Thailand is well known for super duper long immigration queue. Okay, let's see. Didn't manage to clear using the e-gate, so had to go to the manual counter instead. Never mind, picking up my bag right here.